Hello, my name is Krishna Araupalli. I have successfully completed the Cloud DevOps training program. In this video, I will explain the DevOps concepts that I learned during the training and also demonstration basic AWS service using the AWS Management Console. I will also explain how these tools and concepts are used in real-world software development and deployment. DevOps plays a very important role in modern IT industries because it helps organizations deliver software faster, more reliable, and with better quality. What is DevOps? DevOps is a combination of development and operation. The main goal of DevOps is to improve collaboration and communication between the development team who write the code and operation teams who deploy and maintains the application. Earlier, development and operation teams work separately. Developers focus only on writing code and operators teams focused on deployment and maintenance. This separation caused delays, deployment failures, and frequent errors. DevOps solved this problem by bringing both teams together and using automation, continuous integration, and continuous delivery practices. As a result, DevOps helps in faster development, continuous delivery of updates, reliable and stable deployments. The DevOps lifecycle consists of the following stages: planning, understanding requirements and planning the application; development, writing and managing source code; build, compiling and building the application; testing, automatically test the application to detect errors; deployment, deploying the application to servers; monitoring performance and system health; feedback, collecting feedback for future improvements. These stages work in a continuous loop, which means deployment and developments happens continuously instead of once in a long cycle. Automation is used in almost every stage of DevOps lifecycle to reduce manual work, increase speed, and improve accuracy. During the Cloud DevOps training, I learned about several important DevOps tools. Git is used for version control, which helps in managing source code and tracking changes made by developers. Jenkins is used for continuous integration. It automatically builds and tests the code whenever changes are made, which helps detect issues early. Docker is used for containerizing. It packages applications along with their dependencies so that they run consistently across the different environments. Cloud platform, especially AWS, are used for deploying, managing, and scaling applications efficiently. All these tools together helps in achieving faster delivery and stable deployments. DevOps provides several benefits to organizations such as faster software delivery, better collaboration between teams, reduced deployment errors, improved scalability, continuous monitoring, and feedback. Because of these benefits, DevOps has become a standard practice in the most IT companies today. AWS Console Home. This is AWS Management Console, which is a web-based interface used to access and manage AWS services. First, we have the root user. The root user is the main account created when AWS first set up. The root user has full access to all AWS service and resources. However, for security reasons, AWS recommends not using the root user for daily tasks. Instead, the root account should be accountant should be used only for critical accountant levels operations. IAM services. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. IAM is used to manage users' roles permissions. Using IAM, we can control who can access AWS services and what actions they can perform. IAM provides security by following the principles of latest privileges, which means users are given only the permissions they actually needed. This helps prevent unauthorized access and reduces security risks. IAM users. An IAM user is created to provide limited and controlled access to AWS resource. Each IAM user can be assigned specific permission based on their roles or job requirements, such as developer or administrator. This avoids using the root accounts and significantly improve account security. IAM users can also be given console access or programmatic access depending on the use case. Open S3 buckets. Amazon S3 stands for Simple Storage Services. S3 is used to store and retrieve data such as files, images, videos, backups. In S3, data is stored inside containers called buckets. Amazon S3 provides high durability, high availability, scalability. S3 is commonly used for backups, data storage, and static web hostings. EC2 instance. Amazon EC2 instance stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 provides virtual services known as instances which are used to run applications in cloud. Using EC2, we can choose instance type, select operating system, scale resources based on demand. Overall, cloud training helps me understand how modern software applications are developed, deployed, and managed using cloud services. I gain practical knowledge of DevOps practice and AWS tools like IAM, S3, and EC2, which are essential in today's IT industry. This training has strengthened my foundation in cloud and DevOps, and it will be very useful in my future career in IT and cloud-based technologies.